Mindful Touch Routine. Welcome to our Mindful Touch Routine, a brief meditation to cultivate presence through tactile awareness. Remember to wear comfortable, loose clothing that allows you to sit or move easily. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and take a moment to immerse yourself in the silence. And let's explore the art of mindful touch together. Close your eyes and bring your attention to the sensation of touch. Start by feeling the texture beneath your hands. Notice its temperature, weight, and any subtle movements. Allow your hands to explore different surfaces around you. Engage your sense of touch fully. Feel the nuances, the contours, and the energy beneath your fingertips. As you engage in this tactile exploration, observe any sensations that arise without judgment. Let the awareness of touch ground you in the present moment. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. When you open your eyes, keep all this positive energy with you. Carry this mindful touch awareness with you into your day. Thank you for joining our mindful touch routine. Until next time, stay present and connected. And remember, breathe deeply and find inner peace.